Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Twilio for CRM SMS Follow-Up step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Twilio account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Twilio website. Once logged in, navigate to the Twilio console. Locate the phone numbers section in the sidebar. Click on Buy a number to get a phone number for sending SMS. Choose a number that supports SMS capabilities. Complete the purchase process for your chosen number. Next, head to the messaging section in the sidebar. Click on Settings. Here, you will set up the SMS webhook for your CRM follow-up. Enter your CRM's endpoint URL in the Request URL field. Select the appropriate HTTP method, usually POST. Save your settings to apply the webhook. Now, go to your CRM platform. Locate the Settings or API section of your CRM. Ensure your CRM can handle incoming SMS messages. Create a new workflow or sequence for follow-up messages. Integrate the Twilio number you purchased into your CRM's follow-up sequence. Test the setup by sending a test SMS. Monitor the responses in your CRM to ensure everything is working properly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. Once confirmed, you can begin using Twilio for CRM SMS follow-ups effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.